How to delete the phone number on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to delete a phone number on Discord, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, make sure you have updated your Discord application. After that, once logged in, you will land to this page. Then after you'll have to go to your profile settings. To do so, tap on your profile which is on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings or the gear icon from the top right corner. After that, tap on accounts and scroll down. There you will see the option of phone number. Tap on it and this way you will see the current phone number linked to your account. Then you will get an option of remove phone number button. Tap on it, a confirmation prompt will appear. Thereby you'll have to enter your password for security. And after entering your password, tap on done to finalize the removal. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.